So precision ag is applying a product, whether that's a fertilizer or a pesticide, precisely to where it's needed rather than broadcasting it over an entire area. Precision ag can substantially reduce fertilizer use, herbicide and fungicide, basically any pesticide use. It can reduce the amount of labor required. It can reduce the amount of fuel that's being used, the number of times a vehicle has to cross a field. It can reduce pesticide residues on food. Its greatest advantage, of course, is reduce the amount of off-target, which is the amount when you apply pesticide where it's not needed. You reduce that substantially. Now we can apply the pesticides only where it's needed, and that's probably one of the biggest advantages. The technology that we're doing now, which is vastly different than what they even had 2 years ago, has the capability of transforming the way we grow food and transforming how it's produced. It's almost like thinking of comparing, the development of a driverless vehicle, how much that could change society. It's the same with agriculture. If you look at the numbers, we've lost a lot of farms in recent years because of the economics of farming, because it's so difficult. This is one way that we can help farmers reduce their input costs, make them more efficient, make their ability to produce more efficient. To me, that benefits all of society. If we're helping the people that produce fresh, healthy food for the public and we're helping them to do it better, then everyone benefits. Everyone asks, how long? How long do we have this technology? Because they realize that the technology we're working with has just changed so quickly and developed so quickly. And what limits us is resources. We train what are called neural networks, which are a type of computer program. They're developing so fast, you can fall behind very quickly. So you need to be able to stay at the edge of this. We have people that work on building the controllers that control, the flow of information. You have people like me that test things in the field and evaluate it. You have people training programs. You have to have specialists that can identify the diseases or weeds. So it takes a whole team. We're one of the few organizations that has the diversity of expertise that can do that. Plus, we have the ability to work very closely with farmers. We have really close connections with industry. So once we have something working, we can take it straight to the farm and let farmers use it and give us their opinions. The ultimate goal is to benefit the growers and the general public. So we're trying to control those pests so that the growers still maintain their yields, still get the same return on the crop, but we use far less pesticides, which is better for the environment, which is better for consumers. So in this particular technology, everyone benefits.